Hey, how's it going, guys? Eric Ellis Jr. with EricEllisJr.com, and this is a ClickFunnels review to show you exactly how I generated $2,541 within 1 week with ClickFunnels. I'm going to basically show you step by step how I generated over $2,000 with ClickFunnels. Also, more importantly, how you can go ahead and duplicate the same process to start earning a full-time income online using the ClickFunnels platform. So, stick with me closely, watch till the end of this video so that way you guys can get the same results and eventually live a life of time, location, and financial freedom. Alright guys, so let's dive right in. Basically, I'm going to show you guys how I made $2,541.59 to be exact within 1 week with ClickFunnels, and the exact process that I utilize that you guys can duplicate, right? This is definitely duplicatable. If I can do it, I'm not the smartest guy in the world. You can definitely do this, right? So what I'm doing right now is I'm waiting for it to actually pull up so I can go ahead and log into my ClickFunnels. So that way we can get started immediately, right? So as soon as I start, right, or excuse me, not start, but log in. Now there's 3 critical steps that I utilize, guys, to be able to generate that income, right? Now number 1 is drive traffic, right? I had to drive some sort of traffic, but most importantly, where am I driving that traffic to? I was driving that traffic to an offer, right? But instead of just driving traffic to an offer, what I did was I actually used ClickFunnels to increase the return on my investment, right? And the way I did that was I basically drove traffic to a sales funnel. Once I drove traffic to a sales funnel, I was able to capture those leads. So usually it'd be about a 3% conversion rate on my offer, right? But I increased that to about 15 to 20%, right? So the amount of people that actually signed up to my business opportunity increased 10 times because I use ClickFunnels as a platform, right? And most importantly, if you capture those leads, you have to follow up. So that's step number 3, right? So you have an offer, and then the 3 steps is just drive traffic, convert that traffic, which is with ClickFunnels, and then follow up with, I'm going to show you guys with the software that I currently use, right? But what type of funnel did I actually use, right? Now, as far as my offer, it was a high ticket offer. So it's a company, one of the opportunities that I'm promoting as an affiliate marketer, right? And I'll show you guys. So AMBB. So that stands for not American Affiliate Marketing Beginner's Blueprint, right? So it's an ebook funnel. And what I did is I created this funnel from scratch with ClickFunnels, and this is where I drove traffic to, right? Now, after I actually show you guys the step-by-step process of the actual funnel, I want to show you guys how I actually created traffic, right? So the first step, guys, you need something to promote, right? Now, if you don't have a business opportunity to promote, right, there's things out there like ClickBank and a variety of sources that you guys can literally sign up to as an affiliate for free, and you guys can get access to different offers that you guys can promote. And once you guys have different offers that you guys can promote, what you can do is you can use ClickFunnels. Instead of driving people directly to the sales page, you can create a capture page and a thank you page, and then you can put the sales page on the back end. So that's what I did, right? So essentially what happens is people will get driven to this page right here. I created all this through ClickFunnels, right? And once they get instant access, they're going to go ahead and basically put in their email, right? And you have to have a capturing, engaging headline. And then I had 3 steps that actually helps as well, and a good lead magnet, guys. So creating a sales funnel is, okay, that's the first part. But there's factors within creating a sales funnel that will determine whether you succeed or you don't, right? Which is the headline, making sure it's the capturing headline, making sure that you have a valuable lead magnet, right? Then second, people submit their email once they come across my sales funnel, right? And the next step would be sending them to my actual capture page, not capture page, my thank you page. And guys, again, all this has been created through ClickFunnels. Sorry, it's acting a little bit slow. So this is exactly how I did it, guys. So what I did is I sent people to this page right here, right? And what they did is they got access to this page, right? Your free ebook instant download is on its way to your email. But wait, it may take a couple of minutes. While you wait, read below. So even though it was watching a video, it says read below, and I still generated income, right? So I need to fix that. I need to put watch below instead of read below, because there's nothing to really read. It's just a video, right? Now in here, what I'm doing, let's see if the internet's fast enough to let it play. Basically what I'm doing is I'm letting people know, thank you for putting your information in my page. Your ebook is on its way. It'll be sent via email. While you wait, take a look at this opportunity. And what I'm doing is I'm redirecting them to an opportunity. So an example, guys. One thing that I'm currently using on the back end is, right now, it's a ClickBank offer. So I'm an affiliate with ClickBank. And what happens is I drive traffic, and I don't have to pay to be a part of this, to promote this business opportunity. So what happens is that they pay me 50% commissions on the sales that I generate, right? Now, we have the sales funnel, right? We created the sales funnel with ClickFunnels. Now, how do we drive traffic, right? Now, the three main ways that I drive traffic, right? Let me actually pull one of my favorites, and I'm pretty sure this isn't going to be a shocker, guys. So, one of my main sources of free traffic, guys, if you look here, I create tons of YouTube videos. What happens is I drive traffic to my offers by creating valuable content and then driving traffic by giving them a call to action at the end of the video. So what happens is people watch my videos. Once they watch my videos, I give them value, over-delivering value, and then I drive traffic by a slight recommendation at the end of my video, meaning if you want to learn more about this, or if you want this, or if you want a free ebook, or whatever that looks like, I drive traffic to my actual sales funnel, right? That's one source of traffic. Then another source of traffic is Facebook. So I just cleared my friends list. I had about 5,000 friends, but I'm going to build that back up to entrepreneurs. And I have 1,000 people. So what I do is on a daily basis, first and foremost, when I'm adding people, they're getting access to my, my website domains directly on how I'm branding myself. And then number two, the type of content I produce is sometimes called an action post, telling people to request more information for my actual ebook, right? So the type of content I produce is literally to send people to my actual, to send them to my actual capture page. I'm going to see if I can actually find a post where I do that. Just to give you an example, is driving traffic to my sales funnel, work less, travel more. I did this post. It was a lifestyle post, very simple. And then I said in this book, I lift back the curtains, and the secret process that most marketers won't take time to teach you. Comment free book below, and I'll hook up the first 50 comments with a free copy of this blueprint. No comment, no ebook. I got 15 comments, right? And what I did was I drove essentially 15 people to my actual sales funnel, right? So they got access to my sales funnel, they got access to my ebook, and then a certain percentage on the back end got access to my video sales letter, right? So percentage buys. Now, also on my Instagram page, right, I have over 10,000 followers. At Eric Ellis Jr., what I do is I provide valuable content But at the end of every single one of my videos, I have this outro. I don't know if it's going to take like forever, so I'm not going to play it. But I have this outro that has my actual domain name in it. So I have my domain name in it. And then I also have in the description, when people come across my page, I have my domain name. And this domain name used to be set up to my ebook. So I used to basically drive all this free traffic. So guys, I did not spend a single dime to generate over $2,000, right? Now, just to show you guys the platform, right? On an average, I get anywhere from 10 to 30 leads a day, right? Because of my free marketing strategies. And what happens is that not everybody's going to buy your opportunity up front or whatever you're selling. So what I did was I actually promoted this traffic to my funnel. And then what happens is I was doing email marketing, right? So with this platform right here, I want to show you guys something. It's called Aweber. I'll leave, if you go to ericellisjr.com, you're going to be able to get access to Aweber in the resources section. And I'll actually allow you to be able to get access to it for a free trial. Because you do need a follow-up software to follow up, because that's where you're going to make majority of your money, because people don't buy until the 7th to 10th point of contact. So if you're just driving traffic to a sales video and not a sales funnel, you're not going to be able to capture those leads and follow up. So if you notice, guys, I have a follow-up series of 21 emails, right? So what happens is as soon as somebody opts in, I actually follow up with them 21 times. Now remember, statistically, people buy within the 7th or 8th point of contact. So most likely people are buying around 7th to 8th email. And not necessarily the 7th to 10th email, but the 7th to 10th email that they open. So 1 out of 3 emails people aren't going to essentially buy, or open rather. That's why I have 21 emails, because literally without me doing a single thing, most likely I'm going to increase my conversions, because this is usually going to be people's last point of contact to where they make a buying decision, right? I hate being broke. Can you help? So this is that strong call to action email that I create, to where I'm redirecting them to an actual offer, which is essentially the video sales letter. So what happens is I use ClickFunnels to actually capture leads, right? Here's the actual funnel, and I created it from scratch. Once I'm capturing leads, I'm redirecting them to an offer. And then once I'm redirecting them to an offer, a certain percentage is going to buy it front. And then another percentage is going to buy it on the back end, right? To where you're not going to get everybody up front, but you need these softwares to be able to basically drive traffic to capture leads, right? And we're not capturing leads to increase conversions, because that's going to actually lower conversions. It's going to lower conversions up front, but where you make money is on the back end, right? So if I was to drive traffic to just a VSL, a lot more people are going to see that VSL, or AKA sales video. A lot more people are going to see that than actually sending them through a funnel. But I'm willing to take the hit up front, because I'm going to follow up with them. And I'm going to seriously increase the conversions and then the return on my investment. Now, if you guys don't have a software, or if you guys were watching this video to kind of figure out, okay, this guy made money with this software, it doesn't work. The title says review. This is a ClickFunnels review, because what I actually do is I actually use this platform to where if I was to go actually inside, I could show you guys. I mean, you could check your stats here. You could check the amount of contacts that you have. You can make up to 20 actual sales funnels. What I do is I kind of cheat the system, and I create a couple of sales funnels within one actual sales funnel, because I actually have 2 sales funnels within this one sales funnel. And what I do is I utilize that to be able to increase the amount of sales funnels, right? Get the bang for my buck. Now, if you guys were kind of on the fence with ClickFunnels, this is the real deal. The best bet, if you look here, have definitely driven a lot of free traffic to this one specific funnel. But if you guys were on the fence, guys, if you go to ericellisjr.com, I'll leave a link in the description. It's going to allow you to go to the resources page, and you're going to be able to test this out for free. Don't take my word for it. Don't take anybody's word for it online. Go to my website, and I'm going to allow you to actually test drive it for a 14-day period, right? ericellisjr.com. Go to your resources. Once you go to your resources, you're going to be able to literally get access, create a free account, and you're going to be able to literally try out, create sales funnels. You're going to be able to test it out, and you're going to be able to find an offer on something like ClickBank or whatever you're offering right now, and you're going to be able to start literally using the platform for free for 14 days. I generated income with this platform within my first 14 days to where I was forced to keep this. I was forced to keep it because I've made more money than I was actually spending on the platform, right? And also, if you go to the resources page, I'm also going to go ahead and give you access to Aweber. So you're going to be able to literally one-stop shop. If you go to ericellisjr.com, right, and the layout might be completely different right now than what you guys currently see. What you're going to do is you guys are going to go to ericellisjr.com. There's going to be a resources tab. The layout might be different, but it's still going to be a resources tab, definitely. And once you click this recommended resources or the resources tab, you're going to go ahead and get access. It's a one-stop shop for you guys. You're going to go to get access to that free trial, right? You click here, and you're going to go ahead and get access to Aweber. You click here or you click here, guys. So hopefully you guys, you gain value. Most importantly is, guys, I'm here to help you guys live a life by design to where you guys can literally travel the world, experience what everything this world has to offer, guys. You guys shouldn't be sitting behind a cubicle, working a 9-to-5 and not doing something that you guys love. So it's my job to help you guys actually do that. And the way that I can do that is by you guys subscribing and tuning into my content. So that way I can help you guys by giving you guys actionable steps and literally case studies and training on my YouTube channel to help you with everything digital. Also, ericellisjr.com. There's plenty of things like making money, recommended resources, free books. You can join our mastermind group. There's plenty of things, and we're going to be updating and changing and innovating the website at all times. So make sure you check that website on a day-to-day basis to see how we can help you guys with your digital entrepreneurship career. And most importantly, help you guys live a life of time, location, and financial freedom. That's what this is all about. This is why you're educating yourself right now. This is why you're watching this type of content, because most likely you're interested in making an extra buck, making money online, basically becoming a digital entrepreneur to where you can live that life of freedom, right? So subscribe to my channel so that way you can get these different updates on an everyday basis, because I like to pump out content every single day, because the more people I can help, right, the more it helps me, the more it gives me happiness, and the more it helps me be fulfilled. Smash this freaking like button if you haven't already to show me that you enjoy this comment, or just to even show me love, right? And make sure you guys drop a comment below for a request of any videos that you'd like for me to cover within this industry, or things that you're having problems within your digital business. If I don't have the answers, or if I don't know it, I'm here to serve you, to where I'm literally willing to spend the time to actually learn it so that way I can teach it to you guys, because I feel like I was put on this earth to actually teach thousands, if not millions. So with that being said, guys, you are part of the Wolves Entourage community. I appreciate you guys so much. And again, always remember, I would be nothing without you and your support. So continue to support, continue to follow the journey, and continue to allow me, or to help me help you. Eric Ellis Jr. here, and I will see you at the top.